Looking for strategic, affordable, and sulit investment sa heart of Metro Manila? Welcome to Covent Garden, your future home or next rental income generator in Santa Mesa, Manila. Sobrang lapit lang sa lahat. Walking distance sa LRT2 V-MAPA Station, malapit sa top universities like PUP, UE, UST, FEU, at San Beda. Quick access sa SM Santa Mesa, Green Hills, Ortigas at Makati. Perfect for students, professionals, and future investors. May dalawang towers which is South Residence and North Residences. Modern amenities at safe gated community vibes. Available units, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, at may bi-level options din. Come on, let's check your future home or your Airbnb and rental business investment. Relax and live your best life with swimming pools, gym, function hall, playground, jogging pad, at outdoor lounge. Complete sa amenities para sa work, rest, and play. Ready for occupancy na lahat ng units. Ready for move-in o paupahan agad. Perfect for Airbnb or long-term rental business. Remember, malalapit to sa top universities like PUP, UE, UST, FEU at San Beda. Imagine, ganito kagandang view ang makita mo sa paggising mo at pagtulog mo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Be part of this fast-growing community at the heart of the city. Tara, mag-site viewing na tayo sa Covent Garden, Santa Mesa. Message us now for free tripping and full computation. Opportunity waits for no one. Una-unahan na to. This is Jessa Marquez, your trusted real estate person. Handa akong gabayan ka mula sa simula hanggang tulo ng iyong property journey.